There are three types of rocks that we're going to be studying. We're going into the rock cycle, so we're going to talk about these three, and then we're going to talk about how um, the rock cycle, like how it, the weathering and whatnot. So it says, look at these pictures of rocks. How are they different? How are they the same? So how are these three rocks different? How are they the same? All right, so the first type of rock is your igneous rock, which is your fire rocks. Igneous rocks are made either underground or above ground. Underground, it's melted rock called magma. It cools slowly and becomes an igneous rock. If it's made above ground, it's when volcanoes erupt. They bring magma to the Earth's surface, and it is called lava. And then the lava cools and becomes an igneous rock. And these are the different types of rocks that are igneous rocks. Sedimentary rocks are kind of like your sandwich rocks. For millions of years, little pieces of earth called particles have been broken down by wind and water. These little bits of our earth are washed to the bottom of the rivers, lakes, and oceans where they settle. Many layers of small pieces of earth collect on top of each other in layers. These layers are pressed down and more until the bottom layers slowly turn into hard rock. So the top of this is the newer rocks, and the bottom of this is the much more compact sedimentary rocks. But obviously, you can kind of see why it gets the nickname of the sandwich because it's got many different layers. And again, these are three types of sedimentary rocks, not the only ones, but three types of them. All right, metamorphic rocks are the changing rocks. So think about the hawk. He's a normal person. Then when he gets mad, he changes and turns into this big, green, scary, strong guy. Metamorphic rocks are rocks that have morphed or changed into another kind of rock. These rocks were once igneous or sedimentary. So metamorphic rocks come from either the igneous or the sedimentary. Metamorphic rocks. Millions of tons of heat and pressure have made these rocks change. And then these are different types of those rocks. All right, and that is it. If you have any questions, let me know.